Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
At Turbo Trading, we continue to preach, stay in the channel, stay in the trade. And this is another perfect example of it. This is Ford Motor Company this morning. I want to do two things here. I want to talk about the channel, but I want to talk about where to draw the channel lines. You would normally think that the channel line would go at the opening price at the bottom here, like that. But if you actually want to get the best lines, you actually wait. You could either use this first pullback entry here and draw it this way. Oops, come on. You can do it. Or the bottom of this candle right here. Now I know it's only a slight difference and it's not a perfect channel, but this is where I would draw it, at the bottom of this first, not at the issue, not at the opening. You always, to get the true line, you want to draw it at the sort of the first pullback, which would have been here or here. But if we draw it here, we see that it touches here, here, and here. And that's what you want to do. You want to touch as many spots as possible. Then you just make a parallel line. And it's not surprising. It's amazing how well it works. It touches the top of there and pulls back. But we see that it did hold this rising channel here. It's in this channel. And so this 15 period moving average also showing good support for it, which in actual fact is, much the same as this channel line. Look at this 34 and 50. Also very strong. If it pulled back, you'd want to, maybe stop out here at 23.5 or down here at this breakout level, 23.40. But as long as it stays in this channel, you can stay in the trade. I mean, this is a great trade. 275 entry, let's say. Yeah, 275. It's traded up close to 24. It's $1.25. That's a nice trade. You only have to do one of these a day. 1,000 shares gives you $1,000 a day. 20 days. That's 20 grand a month. It's pretty good living. And to buy at 20,000, if you're using a leveraged account, you only need an account of $5,000. If you make $1,000 on 5,000, that's 20% on your money in a day. But I look at it more, in absolute dollars rather than percentage gains, because you can't live on percentage gains. You need to live on absolute dollars. To get back at it, so this is the trend. This is a big channel. Stays in the channel, stay in the trade. This next, and then you look probably sell some out up here at 24.25. Pulls back to 24. I mean, this could be I'd look at this as a 1-2, wave 3, 4. This would be the start of wave 5. Maybe it double tops up here now, but we'll see. If it does and then breaks down, then you need to get out of the trade. There's lots of signals that would show to get out of the trade. But for now, as long as it stays in the channel, stay in the trade.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.